Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're talking about the Creality K2 Pro Combo 3D printer. And honestly, if you've been on the fence about getting into serious multicolor 3D printing, this might be the video that makes up your mind. So let's get into it. Now, right away you might be wondering, is this printer actually worth the price tag? Because sitting at around $1,049 to $1,099, this is not an impulse buy. But here's the thing. When you look at what you're getting, ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second print speeds, a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, a 40 superscript 3/S flow rate, and multicolor printing with up to 16 spools. This machine is doing things that were reserved for industrial printers just a few years ago. So yeah, the price starts to make a lot more sense. Let's talk build volume first, because this is a big one. The K2 Pro gives you a massive 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters build volume. That's enough to print a full-size cosplay helmet in one go, or batch produce a whole tray of smaller parts simultaneously. And the frame holding all of this together, it's die-cast from tough aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, so this thing is not going to wobble or flex mid-print. The printer tips the scales at over 50 pounds. It's built like a tank. Now here's the question that really matters for most people. What do these speed numbers actually mean in real-world use? The K2 Pro prints at up to 600 millimeters per second with a jaw-dropping 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. What that means practically is that prints which used to take 8 or 10 hours on a standard printer can now be done in a fraction of the time, without sacrificing quality. Reviewers ran long stretches of prints and reported a consistently perfect run with no fails. That kind of reliability is huge if you're using this for prototyping, small business production runs, or creative projects. And then there's the multicolor system, the CFS, or Creality filament system, which is honestly one of the coolest parts of this whole setup. You can connect up to 4 CFS units, enabling 16 spools at once, and switch between colors or combine filaments with dissolvable and breakaway supports. It even has RFID chip readers, so when you load a Creality RFID spool, it automatically recognizes the filament type and simplifies the loading process entirely. You're not locked into Creality filament either. Any 1.75 millimeters third-party filament works just fine. Why is this such a popular choice right now? A big part of it comes down to the active heated chamber. The K2 Pro maintains a stable chamber temperature of up to 60 degrees Celsius, which means you can print demanding engineering-grade materials like ASA, PPACF, PACF, and ABS without corner warping, something open-frame printers simply can't reliably do. Add in a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle and a 110 degrees Celsius heated bed, and this machine handles the full spectrum of modern filaments with confidence. The dual AI camera system is another standout feature. The primary camera delivers an excellent view of the print area, creates quality time-lapse videos, and can run full screen from the device tab, while the second camera focuses directly on the nozzle for real-time flow adjustment and problem detection. So the printer is essentially monitoring itself and making adjustments on the fly. That's incredibly valuable for long overnight prints. The K2 Pro Combo also comes with 32 gigabytes of internal storage, Ethernet connectivity alongside Wi-Fi, a 4-inch touchscreen, auto leveling, a dual Z-axis system, and a built-in air purifier that filters VOCs and odors. 3 intelligent stepper servo motors drive the extruder and X/Y axis, and they run whisper quiet, more like keyboard typing the machine noise. Bottom line? The Creality K2 Pro Combo is a 300 superscript 3 build volume machine that genuinely feels like the best of all worlds in Creality's lineup. Fast, precise, multicolor capable, and built to handle professional-grade materials. Whether you're a maker, an engineer, a designer, or someone running a small creative business, this printer delivers on every front. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.